Hey, real quick, I want to give you some of the most popular and most common CPA companies that you can go ahead and get started with right now. Fill out some applications. Now, with CPA, you do have to get approved to the network, okay? So that's one thing about CPA. It can be harder to get approved for a CPA network than ClickBank, for example. The reason is these offers are so great and the payouts are good, and this kind of opens the door for a lot of spam. Okay. Also, these CPA networks want to make sure that you're serious. They're not going to give you an account if they don't think that you're serious and that you're actually going to go out there and make money. Okay. They want you to make money and they want you to do it legitimately. Okay. They don't want you breaking any terms of service rules and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Now, we'll talk about how to get accepted here in a later video, but right now I just wanted to run you through some of the most popular CPA companies out there. So here's a list I've compiled for you. I'll also have a link you can click on in the resources where you can go in, and I'll take you to a few of these where you can go ahead and get signed up and get started. The first one's purefly.com, probably one of the easiest CPA networks to get accepted to. We've also got CJ.com, or also known as Commission Junction. I like Commission Junction a lot. They're pretty easy to get accepted to, and they've got some really great offers that you can check out. We've also got Copiac.com, MaxBounty.com, and NeverBlue.com. I mean, there are literally hundreds of CPA networks. Okay, so these are just the top 5, some of the ones I really like. You know, somebody else that you talk to may have another list. So the best thing to do is to try to get accepted to a couple. Go and run some campaigns. When you have some success, you can start going to some of the harder ones to get accepted to, and you can literally have multiple CPA accounts. There's no limit to how many you can have. There's no limit to how many networks you can work with. And in a later video, I'm going to tell you why you might want to have multiple CPA accounts with multiple different people. So go ahead and go on to some of these networks, fill out the application process. In the next video, we'll talk about how to actually get accepted.